Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to apologize in advance because this video is going to be like a bad Chinese remake where my mouth's moving and my words don't match because something happened with our microphone and this whole video got muted. Today we're going to make snickerdoodles cookies out of this recipe book from my mom from the 1968 by Mrs. Frank G. Clement, the wife of the governor of Nashville, Tennessee. It calls for shortening, white sugar, eggs, sifted flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Some of the sugar and cinnamon we're going to set aside because once the dough is ready and we're able to roll them into balls, we'll roll them in that cinnamon and sugar before we put them in the oven. The first thing we need to do is blend together the shortening, sugar, and eggs. I have the shortening in my bowl already. And then I'm just going to add my 3 cups of sugar, which I pre-measured out in this white bowl that I'm just pouring in now. And then we're going to crack our 3 eggs in the bowl. So it's the white and yolk, just 3 whole eggs. And then we're just going to blend this together until it's all creamed up. You basically just want to mix it enough that everything is blended together and the sugar and the shortening have mixed well enough. Next, we're going to get our sifter out and we are going to sift together the flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, and salt. And we're going to add that right into the mixer and blend it all together. So we're going to need 5½ cups of sifted flour, 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and a teaspoon of salt. I got my nice handy-dandy pink sifter here. Sifting flour isn't always necessary. It just helps make the cookies more light and airy. Or so my mom always told me. I don't know. I didn't really ever look it up. I just believed everything she told me. So we're going to go ahead and put our 5½ cups of flour in here, along with our 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I know I already said that. I'm just repeating myself. Now we're just going to get this all mixed together. So we got it down in there. We got the mixer going. We have all of our ingredients in. Once this is all mixed, we are going to roll them into balls the size of a walnut. And then those balls will roll in some cinnamon and sugar. So you need about 4 tablespoons of sugar and 4 teaspoons of cinnamon. So I got my cinnamon and sugar in this bowl. I'm just mixing it all together so it mixes the cinnamon and sugar pretty equally. And then we're going to get rolling our balls and roll the balls in this cinnamon and sugar mixture. And then I'll be right back. So we had a lot of malfunctions with this video because the video of us rolling the balls and putting them in the cinnamon and sugar also did not work. But this is the end result. They look gorgeous. They taste amazing. They're light and fluffy. You're going to roll them, you're going to put them on your parchment paper, bake them in the oven at 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes, and let them cool before you take them off. Sorry for all the mishaps in this video. I appreciate the watching though. Please like and subscribe. I promise the rest of our videos are definitely much better. I just didn't want to delete this and let out the snickerdoodles because they're one of everybody's all-time favorites. Thanks everybody. Come back again.